I think that's an I. According to their website, it's simple modern. Hi, welcome back. Today we have a tumbler, the Simple Modern brand. The 40-ounce Trek tumbler with straw lid and handle. 40 ounces seems like maybe overkill for a lot of people. I am really bad about remembering to drink water, so I'm thinking if I only have to fill it up one additional time a day, maybe that'll make me drink more water. Versus if I have to fill it up 6 or 7 times, I'm just probably not gonna do that because I'm lazy. So we open it up. Right off the bat, we have 2 straws. That's very fun. They're not silicone, they're just kind of a hard plastic. It seems like you would need a straw scrubber. I don't know that your dishwasher would be able to get that totally clean. But again, I'm lazy, so I'm probably gonna use the dishwasher anyway. That is a bonus with this. Online, it did say it was dishwasher safe, which is a big deal to me. Again, I have enough other things I have to wash by hand, having little babies in the house. It is this beautiful green color. I think it was called Forest. It's got a handle, it's got the narrower bottom, so it will hopefully fit in a cup holder. We will test that out here in a little bit. It is touted as being leak-proof when the straw is out of it, which it does have this little silicone seal. Online, it also talked about how it has like a 4-position straw. It's supposed to be based on how you put the lid on. So you can have the straw right there, or if you start it right here, the straw would be right there. So if you're a righty, I'm a lefty, so I would want it on this other side. And there's your straw. On the inside, we have a booklet with a whole bunch of, buy our other products type of information. It did say on the box, it says 10% profit given away. We exist to give generously. 10% profits given away. Learn more about our giving at their website. Has pictures of maybe some folks digging a well. Looks like maybe in Africa or some such place, but that's pretty great. I like supporting companies that do that sort of thing. There's another paper down in here. Tips and tricks for how to care for your products. Go to their website. Some warnings and such. Mostly about if your contents are hot, don't burn yourself. Hand wash prior to use. Do not freeze or microwave. It is made out of metal, so that would make sense. Not intended for long-term storage of food or liquids. I don't know why you would want to leave anything in there long-term anyway. And make sure the lid's on. You have your straw. Fits in there really snugly. Obviously it's not going to be leak-proof when the straw is in there, but hopefully leak-resistant. I bought another one of these types of mugs last week. I don't actually remember the brand. The spot where the straw goes didn't have this little silicone gasket, and so if you even just tipped it a little, it just gushed water everywhere. Looks like the silicone goes all the way through. I think that might actually be removable. I don't know that it's meant to necessarily come out very often, but because it does move, you might run into grime getting stuck down in there, especially if you're gonna wash it in the dishwasher. It does have the little dishwasher symbol on here, so it's dishwasher safe for the lid as well. Got pretty robust threads. I don't feel like you would easily break those or wear them down. It has another little silicone seal right under the edge here. The inside of the top, the threads, that 4-position thing, they're all set to be kind of at a particular angle in here, but they're all just molded into the metal. I don't see any kind of cracks or crevices where you'd have issues with cleaning. The handle on it is plastic. It's molded a little bit so you have a more comfortable grip. I have fairly small hands, so my fingers actually sit sort of on top of this little hump here. Somebody with regular sized hands or with larger hands it would probably be really comfortable for them. There are little screws on the bottom side of the handle here. It seems pretty sturdy, but another spot that maybe some gunk could get into because those aren't covered up at all. It has a really nice finish on it. A little fingerprinty, but not too bad. It's a nice kind of textury metal. That's very fun. There's no type of rubber seat on the bottom, so it's not going to be non-skid. It's going to slide around pretty easily. It does say dishwasher safe again on the bottom. Has their website. 40-ounce Trek tumbler. All right, so let's test out the leak-proof claims that it has on here.